No, how will I clean all this mess? Help me, somebody, help! Where will I start? How to do it? There is clutter everywhere. How will I start? Can anybody help me? Okay, let me not panic. Let me start. But where should I start? Okay, let me start with the colors first. Oh no, they're falling down. I'm getting a mess.
I'm sure you will agree that there is clutter everywhere, not only in the outer plane, but also in the mental plane. Yes, the outer side always looks different, but inside there's a lot of clutter. And do you know that we humans have 50,000 thoughts coming to us every day, and most of them are the similar kinds. They are about problems, anxiety, worry, negative thoughts. What will happen if I don't win? What if I do not get a job? What if I don't get a score? What if I don't reach on time? What if I'm late? Thus, these clutters, how do we get rid of them? Well, if you have too much of overthinking, if the mind is cluttered, start decluttering and detoxifying it. How? Just as an animal gets out of water and shakes itself, shakes its body, shake yourself, shake your thoughts. Just push the thoughts outside and start with light breathings like this. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, exhale. And I'm sure while doing this only for 1 or 2 minutes, you will have no clutters, no thoughts coming to your mind, and this is indeed going to help. Well, a small excerpt as I read, listen to it. We live in a universe in which there are laws, just as there's a law of gravity. If you fall off a building, it doesn't matter if you're a good person or a bad person, for you are going to hit the ground. The law of attraction is a law of nature. It is as impartial and impersonal as the law of gravity. Everything that surrounds you right now in your life, including the things you are complaining about, you have attracted. Now, I know at first blush that's going to be something that you will hate to hear. You are going to immediately say, I didn't attract that car accident. I didn't attract that particular client who gives me a hard time. I didn't attract that debt, that loan, and I am here to be a little bit in your face and to say, yes, you did attract it. This is one of the hardest concepts to get, but once you have accepted it, it's life transforming. Yes, the secret says that often when people first hear the part that they are attracting the bad events in their life, they get more disgraceful, they get more irritated. But the truth is, they have to look inside and detoxify the minds, just clutter free. How will you become clutter free? Go to your childhood memories, think of happy moments. Again, detoxify after every 1 hour. Take 1 minute light breathing, 1, 2, 3 count, inhale, 1, 2, 3 count, exhale, and see the difference. Well, let's start with the mental detoxification, mental decluttering, and well, the outer side will easily be decluttered after this. I'm sure you will practice this and just give your feedback. If you like it, do share and subscribe. Bye-bye.